Students, today we are going to discuss in the remaining portion of our second unit planning. So today's topic is goal setting. Every person is having in their goal for the year. Or do you want to be able to plan for the future like this? There is 10 steps for no plan, no goal program. So first one, if you are not a status, here some ideas on how to do can avoid goal setting and planning. Without the 10 steps for the no plan no goal program. Stay confused and anxious. Come up with unrealistic goal. Don't put your goal in writing. Live by motto. When going gets through the shopping, think only of how terrible it will be. Fail. Believe the whatever happened to you is because of the luck and fact. Give up early to avoid the rush. Don't think about long-term goal. Live for the moment. Don't make alternative plan. Assume nothing can be wrong. Don't plan ahead. Just wing it. Goal setting. Which one is known as the goal setting? Goal setting involves establishing specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time targeted. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time targeted goals. Work on the theory of goal setting suggests that an effective tool for making progress is to ensure that participants in a group with a common goal are clearly aware what is expected from them. Small goals, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bounded. What is specific? A goal is specific when it provides a description what is to be accomplished. Measurable, a goal is measurable if it is quantifiable. Attainable does not mean or imply that goal should be easy. Relevant, a goal should be appropriate to the consistent. Time bound. Finally, goal must be bound by time. That is, it may have a starting and ending point. It should always have an intermediate point. Specific steps for goal setting is brainstorming goal as a group. Choose from the brainstormed list and prioritize a group. Strategies, policies, planning premises. So in this we are going to discuss planning premises. So the point at which or the place at which we are going to do the operation is known as the planning premises. Planning premises means systematic and logical estimate for the future factor and affecting planning. According to Geoterry, planning premises are the assumptions provided a background against which the estimated event affecting the planning will take place. Notes and O'Donnell, a key part of the planning is establishment of clear planning premises to assure coordination among all managers who match plan his organization. Planning premises are defined as the anticipated environment in which plans are expected to operate. They include assumption of foreheads of the future. Strategy. A company strategy consists of competitive moves, internal operating approaches, and action plan diversity. So various level of strategies are we are going to discuss. Level of strategy, corporate level, business level, functional level. The set of strategy alternative with an organization goal. Corporate level, business level, functional level. Ordinary corporate strategy will take place by the top level management. Business and strategies will be middle level management. Functional level will be the low level management. So we can easily understand about the BCG matrix. Industry growth rate and then relative market rates. Both are, if both are high, then it is called stores. What is strategic planning? Strategic planning is a systematic process through which an organization agrees and build commitment among the key stakeholders to prioritize the work. So difference or comparison between the strategic planning and organization planning. Strategic planning or formulation, what, when, ends, vision, etc. The big strategic question is who, where are we now? Where do we want to go? How will we get there? Strategic planning process, developing a vision and mission assessment, setting objective, creating a strategy, implementing and executing strategies, evaluating performance. Strategic planning, first stage of strategic planning may involve future thinking, strategic intent, the vision, communicating to all staff where the organization is going and when it intend to be the future, aims and objective. Constantly evaluate their position. Strategy analysis include different methods of assessment in the current position of the business. Internal audit, productivity, efficiency, cost, other internal data, labor turnover, customer satisfaction survey, quality procedures. External audit, political, example, change of government, economic trend in economic growth, social change outlook, age structure of population, etc. SWOT analysis, vision and mission. SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. Good strategy, those the strength is the things that you will do well. The high value of performance points. Strengths can be tangible, loyal customer, efficient. Weakness is those who that prevent you from doing what really you need. Weaknesses include bad relationship, unskilled labor, opportunity, potential area for growth of higher performance, external in nature, marketplace, unhappy customers. Timing may be important for capitalizing. Threat challenges of confronting the organization and external in nature. Threats can take a wide range. Five forces of model of competition. Supplier of key input, rivalry among competing sellers, potential new entrants. Produce five competitive forces, threats for new entries, competitive rivalry, threat of substitute product, power of buyers, gap analysis. So we have the vision assessment, we have to fill up the gap basics for long-term strategic plan. Setting the objective. The purpose is to convert the mission into specific performance target. Should be set at level. Crafting a strategy. How can we craft the strategy? Porter's generic strategy, differentiation strategy, and then focus strategy, overall cost of the leadership strategy. Type of strategy, market dominance, new product development, contraction, expansion, and global. Strategy implementation, technology, human resources, reward system, decision process, or the strategy implementation process. Character